Okay guys, let me zoom in so you can see them a bit more close up. Let me move everything. Goes in there. Let me get rid of this rubbish. 1, 2 and 3. What do you guys think? Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so pleased to meet you and welcome to my channel. So you guys, by the time when you're watching this video, I'm hoping I should be lounging by the beach, drinking a really cold drink and getting tanned. Fingers crossed. If you're the first time you're watching this video, hi, my name is Antonio. I'm currently in Italy on my holiday, and I'm sure I will share pictures and videos on my Instagram and Facebook group. So if you want to see more of where I'm from, join me over there. Today I'm so excited because I'm sharing one of my favorite things to do, which is hidden paper clips. I have a folder and a playlist here on my YouTube channel. I will link it here down below in the info bar and also at the end of the video. So if you guys want to see all the projects that I made, please go and check them out. So what's hidden paper clips? So hidden paper clips are paper clips that you put on the page of, I don't know, of your journal or anything. And then the good thing, I mean, this is still a bit wet. The good things about being hidden and that you can't see them. Okay, so, and they work like bookmarks as well. And today I made some more with some pockets. I thought they will look quite cute. I was playing around with these pages. This and a really old booklet for a theatre play, and I was playing with the pages. So they will look nice, a little pockets. And then I thought, right, don't we make paper clips with some pockets? So that's the front and that is the back. So that's one. Yeah, because they're still a bit wet, so I need to be a bit careful. And that is the second one. There. Look how cute they are. So what I have used, as I said, a book page. Also, I've been to Chesterfield Market recently and I bought a bag full of did they call cigarette cards or mini tea cards, something like that. I got a full bag of different collections. Now there's loads, and some of them are duplicate. They were quite expensive, I must admit. So what am I going to do when I come back from my holidays? I'm going to sort them out into collection and I might sell some. So watch out my Facebook group if you want to purchase them. They'll literally be in there. So how you make these super cute paper clips with a pocket. So let's start from the actual base of the paper clip. So you need, and this is the best way to use up our scraps, just a piece of cardstock. The little tip that I'm going to give you guys, in order for them to be really steady, is important that the base of the paper clip, which on here I just use some black cardstock, is really strong. So you need a really thick paper cardstock, sorry, as a base of your paper clip. Okay, so what you do, I just fold it a little piece in half, put the paper clip in there. It doesn't matter what color because you won't see it. And then we need another piece, the same dimension, same size, to put on top, and we're going to glue it. So you're going to, once these two sides are glued, so you're going to get these literally space when it goes on top of your page, and that is how it sticks and it will stay there, you know, until you slide it off. Okay, so let's put some glue. Oops, way too much. So you simply cover it in glue on both sides, of course. So that's one. And then the little tip again, you just need to press it really hard. Okay, because you want the two sides to adhere properly, like really strong. Now we're doing the back. back. So I use the brush because I just want to make sure it covers everywhere and on top of the paper clip as well. Okay, now this is going to be the back of your paper clip, so I use some bits from my stash just to cover it, so just be mindful that you're going to see that. So whatever you do, see on here, so that's the front and that's the back, and then that was the front and that was the back. And then this little pockets, I thought it's super cute to actually put the mini cards in there, or you can put like tags or any ephemera that you have. I thought they're really pretty. I put some lace there as well. Right, so the base, while the base dry, and you see them is now, you will see this is the inside. Okay, I don't have any dirty fingers, it's just got ink and glue everywhere, so apologies about that. So now we're going to construct the actual envelope. This paper is really thin, so hence why the base of the paper clip has got to be really strong, as I said. So let me make sure they are the same size, because I want them to be pretty much the same size. So you get a page or anything that you want, fold it like that, just create your envelope. So literally fold in 3, and then what I did, I chopped the part of the page, then it's got a little border there, so I chopped that off, and that is literally it. It's the same size, literally spot on. And then what we do, I just used my 1-inch punch, and then I created a little edge, just like the decoration. It doesn't really, it hasn't got any function. And then what I did, I am using the vintage photo of distress ink, and then you just give it that extra vintagey look. I think it's quite cute. It just helps with the all vintagey shabby look. Put some in there as well. I mean, you can make this so many different ways, like different themes, different decoration. You can do this with like a acetate, so you can actually see what is inside. Oh, I've got so many ideas of what things I'm gonna do. I made them with some dangling accessories, a little beaded. So have a look on that playlist, because there's a lot of projects I already made with these hidden paper clips. Hopefully I'll give you some inspiration. Okay, so that's inked, and then I am going to use some double-side tape. I prefer these for all the glue, because these pages are really thin, and I'm conscious if I use glue, they will make them too fragile, especially when they're wet. So literally 2 strips of double-side tape. Oops. Stay there, you little silly. Okay, so this doesn't want to play today. Of course, when we film is always going to be overcomplicated. It's a curse that we all have, don't we? Okay, so that's the pocket made. What I did use, this is the Adventures Explorer Series 50. This is number 28. Yeah, save all the cards in the full story picture album, blah blah blah. So no, because we're going to use them for craft. I have no idea how much this will sell, if you know, like for collectible. I just saw them and I thought, oh, they're really pretty. There are lots of collection. This one was part of the marine collection. This something to do with like police station, I think it's called. So it's got all different theme and collection. So yeah, I can't wait to sort them out when I come back, and then I'm sure I'll I will be selling some, so just to give you guys the opportunities if you want to play with them, just to play with them, because I mean that bag is huge, absolutely huge, and I don't really need that much, so put them in there. And also got this from my stash. I'm gonna put a little number, put number 19. Where is my sponge? Use the back of that. Just gonna ink it a bit just to make it a bit more edgy. Put a tiny bit of glue in there. This project are also so relaxing. You can make like a series, do you know what I mean? Like if you number them, you can make tons and tons of that. I just dropped something on the floor. Then I'm using this lovely lace that the lovely Anne gifted to me. Anne Lane on her Happy Mail. Love that. So we're going to use that. Just need a little piece. So just using 2 little strips. Double side tape. Gonna put one in there. And one in there. And now good luck to me to peel these off. Oh, actually coming off quite easily, he says. Number 2. There. And then I want to trim the extra bit. Tiny bit there. Okay, almost there. Then I put a little butterfly. They are from the Works. You saw me using them forever. There was a full back. I think it was 35 or 50. Let me show you. That's the bag. £1 for all these butterflies. 35, yeah. They're huge. They're different sizes. I don't know if I still sell them, to be fair, but I'll just have a look if it happens that you got in the Works. Just put a little butterfly then in the corner. And then when I did the other 2, I had some pieces of ephemera just in my stash. Might use some of that. And then I'm gonna ink it up. I mean, you can use buttons, you can make them with anything, any materials, any colors, any size. So as I said, I will definitely be making some more because I love making them. And this sort of project are so relaxing, so relaxing, because you just let your creativity drive your hands. That's it. So that's the little pocket. I mean, 13 minutes. It took me, what, 10 minutes to make them. So you can make a bunch of those. They're little craft fair ideas as well, if you want to gift them. So what we're going to do now, we're going to attach that to the base. So I'm going to put some glue. So one side. Just make sure it's... And what I did, I turn it around and make sure that all edges were covered. Yeah, give it a really good press. And then we do the same on the back. Going to use this piece here. Just gonna ink it up a bit. And as I said, yeah, it's good to use up your scraps, because anything that you use as a base, you won't see it. Oops. That's that. And then I'm going to put a bit of glue in here. Probably too much, but never mind. And that will cover that. Yeah, done. Oh yeah, I need to trim a tiny bit in there because there is a bit of double side tape. That's it, done. Okay guys, let me zoom in so you can see them a bit more close up. Let me move everything. Goes in there. Let me get rid of this rubbish. 1, 2 and 3. What do you guys think? I think it's so cute. Super simple to make, as you guys seen. Use up your scraps and decorate them as much as you want. Right guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this tutorial, please only give me a big thumbs up, because I will support the video doing well, because you tell YouTube that you like my content, and that will be much appreciated. Right guys, as I said, thank you once again for watching, and until next time, stay safe and well.